A woman said to her pastor, "RevJ, I just can't pray at home." RevJ asked, "Well, why?" And she replied, "Because there's laundry, and if my husband needs anything, I just can't abandon my responsibilities when I'm in the house." He says, "Okay, well, why don't you go for a walk and pray then?" "Well, because he'll want to come with me." And the conversation went on like that. What's the real problem? Well, who knows? But how many of us have trouble focusing on God in one situation or in another? With our need today for social distancing to protect ourselves and each other from this new virus, we might find ourselves knocked out of our routine, a productive and a comfortable prayer ritual. We may be accustomed to going to the public park for some alone time, or to go to a particular corner of our office building, or to gather with a group of like-minded friends to pray together to support one another in our faith. Or maybe we depend on a routine of public prayer gatherings to give us whatever dose of God we need to get by. For some of us, this routine that is interrupted involves team sports or another activity that takes place in a public area. And now, got the social distancing. How do we adapt? How do we get our daily bread? I used to follow a routine of prayer that worked out really well for me while I was working outside the home. Every day I would stop on my way to work and take 30 minutes to be with God in a semi-private worship space. What a blessing that time was. But a time came when that routine had to change, and I knew I needed to learn a new way and a new place to spend time with God. I wish I could tell you that it was easy, but no, I struggled for many years. Now, once again, I find my routine interrupted. Let's hope it doesn't take me years to recover this time. One thing that I know is that I need to fight for my time with God. Maybe you're not as needy as I am. Maybe once a week is good for you. Still, this interruption affects us all. We need to find ways to find our spiritual food. We're so blessed to have this virtual environment, to have all these resources at our fingertips. And there are so many wonderful books for spiritual reading. Yes, I said books. But we still need to strive for that quiet time, that opportunity for our minds to rest and to contemplate things that are way beyond us, the things that our soul craves, that promise from God of unconditional love, of personal dignity and value, and the restoration of our bodies, hearts, minds, and souls from the challenges and wounds of each day. So try and try again. Try the kitchen table, try the front porch, the back porch, try the closet. Really, just kidding. The car, the recliner, the baby's nap time, the children's schoolwork time. The 10 minutes it takes to boil pasta, or the 15 minutes it takes to change oil in a car. Try and try again. Take any moment to purposefully become aware, to turn your heart, your mind, your eyes, your soul to God, and simply tell Him, God, I am here. And then ask Him, God, are you here? And then listen. I am here. Rest in me. Pray well, and be sure to check the comments for today's song pick and leave comments and share so that Facebook knows people are watching. Have a great day.